I'm in a booth, bitch, I don't ever need no pen and pad. I can pull up the whip daily, I know I got niggas mad. You think I'm tripping now, wait till I sign a deal, I'm on that ass. I got stars in all my cars and all my passengers be bad. I was stepping too down hard.
What's good, YouTube? Shit, y'all see the vibe? Early access to the footage. The event is tomorrow. Today's Saturday at the time I'm recording this part. We got all types of stuff. This is a loading day. So everyone's setting up their stuff. You know? You got the ice cream truck. This ain't even all of it. That's what's crazy. Like, it goes all the way around from different directions, but you know, y'all say y'all want a YouTube back, so I'm back vlogging. We're really back in that mode. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But look, enough of me. I know y'all want to see this shit. This is what y'all really want to see. You know? I know that's what y'all really want to see. What's up to the YouTube? I know y'all fuck with this content. There ain't no way you can't. Go follow my Instagram, ftw.nino. Follow the detailing page, a_and.detailing. There ain't no way you can't fuck with this content. You know? This shit badass. Hundreds and hundreds of thousands of fucking cars. Like, this is what the fuck we on, man. This shit's badass. You gotta drop a subscription, man.
Niggas don't know how to make no money, let me demonstrate. She like, what's that? A clear heart on your waist. Fuck the stairs, I took the elevator. I got some money in the bank.
Man, all I really just say is just drop a fucking subscription, bro. Really, really. That's all you really gotta do. Damn. This shit hard. Everyone's setting up their whip. That's just what the type of vibe we on. Look at that shit. This shit hard. Damn, check that out. I just got an idea for strobe. So that's how we gonna set up this. Okay, bet. That just gave me an idea. Shout out my nigga Chino. That's all I have to say. That shit's actually kind of hard. Got the baseball bat, the paper. Look at the steering wheel, y'all. Y'all know this one already. Y'all see that shit? What?
The plane with the money bag on top of it.
Nah. That shit.
At the top of the chart.
Yeah. Okay. Fucking no, hit me later. I ain't got no time to waste.
We ain't fucking now, don't hit me later. I ain't chasing coochie, is you stupid bitch, I'm running to the paper. I be taking orders like a waiter. Niggas fucking with me cause the prices and they knowin' I'm a player. Put me on a bitch and I'm a slayer. Killers trailin' back to back and lax got me feeling like the mayor.
This is all car club right here. It's all one car club. Man, they got everybody here from all over the fucking world. From West Coast to the South Coast, the East Coast, the North Coast, every fucking where. Go shop Astro's clothing brand. It's in his bio at 392 Stro, STRO, Third Coast. Man, I know y'all don't want to see this shit. Y'all want to see the hot shit. I'll let Chino go look at the ugly shit. They already got the Cybertruck. This shit's kind of badass. Look at the little Cybertruck.
That's rough.
This is badass. That shit's sick, bro.
Fuck these niggas ain't on my level. Dope boy fresh and I'm friends with the devil. Slanging out that.
Y'all see the detail. Nah, what's up, YouTube? Y'all see this shit though? You got the Patron bottle back there. Hey, it's a Patron bottle back here.
Huh?
You got the Patron bottle back here. Yeah, this shit's hard. The bed's nice as fuck. Yeah. This shit hard. This shit over hard. Butterfly doors and shit. Big ass fucking rooms, bro. Got the V6 fucking Durango. There ain't no way you can't fucking subscribe, bro. I've been off on vlogging for a long ass time. Just chilling, you know, doing what I gotta do for me, locking on some other shit.
When I'm in a mood, bitch, I don't ever need no pen and pad. I can pull up the whip daily, I know I got niggas mad. You think I'm tripping now, wait.